Welcome to our channel. In this thrilling episode, we embark on an intriguing journey to unravel the inside of Las Vegas Sphere and reveal the wonders of the Grand Atrium.
If anybody wishes to engage with me directly, please raise your hand to draw my attention.
Prepare to be amazed as we take you on an immersive adventure like no other. We start our journey by walking through this pedestrian bridge to access the bridge entry to the Sphere. We arrived early to allow us time to get through security and enjoy the atrium before the show. Just standing at the gate makes it feel like you're on another world. The security check-in area is an attraction in itself. Large bags and backpacks are not permitted. They allow purses no larger than 6 by 6 by 2. The entrance is surrounded by sweeping curves that transport you into a surreal world. Entering the atrium is truly an immersive experience that engages the senses and transports you to a whole new world. We also encountered 5 lifelike AI-equipped humanoid robots. All of them are named Aura. We will show you how Aura speaks with guests in the next video.
Hello humans. My name is Aura and I am a humanoid robot. My primary function is to provide speaker demonstrations. But there are 4 other Aura robots that you may speak with personally. There are 2 on my left, at creativity and longevity, and 2 Aura robots located on my right at connectivity and productivity who would be very pleased to meet with you and speak to you individually. I only provide speaker demonstrations.
The space has an immersive sound system which uses audio beamforming technology to direct sounds in specific directions. The Sphere has an 8-level atrium with rounded mezzanines and bisected by crisscrossed escalators. The floor is made of shiny, highly polished terrazzo. Above is a series of shiny, interlinked rings. There is a hyper-holographic effect that puts a picture in front of the wall. The space is equipped with programmable lighting design that transforms the space for different events. The futuristic design is mesmerizing. You forget that you are in Vegas. Let's continue our tour at the atrium and embrace the mesmerizing, futuristic atmosphere that makes you feel like you are in outer space. Is the tour giving you technophobes' heart palpitations yet? Next, let's take a look at the avatar scanner. As you walk in, you receive a 3D polymetric scan, and then the device creates an avatar that will be emailed to you. The scanner is a pentagon-shaped platform with a video screen and ring lights. Outside food and beverages are not allowed inside. Food and beverages are available for purchase inside the Sphere. Don't forget your credit or debit card, because the Sphere is a cashless venue. The seats that we purchased are located at section 300. So, we have to navigate these very long escalators. They're the longest escalators I have ever seen. The cool tones of blues, purples, and pink are jaw-dropping as you navigate through the escalator. After a few minutes of navigating the escalators, we finally reached our destination. We are greeted with a myriad of awe-inspiring lights. Here's another cantina to buy your food. We are here at the entrance for a section 300 seats. Never before have I seen a venue this huge. But our exploration doesn't stop here. We will show some clips of the show, how a 16K resolution wraparound screen looks in a future video. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss this legendary experience inside the Las Vegas Sphere.